Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day in Walt Disney World. We are off to the Boardwalk. I am definitely going to the cake bake shop and I'm getting a massive slice of cake. It has to be done.
Because she looks like the sort of person who eats large slices of cake on her own.
We'll definitely be sharing. We have had a very chill day today. We just had a pool day. The last couple of days have been very busy, very full on. So we just had a casual, chill day with Mum around the pool.
Forget all that boring stuff, guys. Paging Mr. Morrow.
He's here!
Is in this building somewhere. We've seen him twice.
But we've never, every time we go to get him, like go and find
Get him, we're not trying to get him, we're not trying to kidnap him or anything. We are.
We want to go and get a picture, and every time we've gone to go and see him, he literally just vanishes. He's a quick guy. I don't know where he goes, but he's very fast.
He's got pace.
He has got pace. And we could see him from the other end of the corridor, and me and James literally went like this and split to go and tag team him. And then we just,
Not trying to kidnap him, honestly. Don't listen to her.
He is in this hotel. He is in our block. He's one level down, 5 or 6 rows, doors down. A little bit of a stalker.
A little bit. She does want to kidnap him.
But we absolutely love Nate. He is one of our absolute favourites. He is incredible. Right, let's go and get some cake. It has been such a lovely day today. It's been like 31 degrees, but a little bit overcast, so it's not been too hot. Look how pretty it is. I love it at this time of night. You look very lovely, Mum.
Thank you, so do you.
Very pretty. I said to Mum, like, what, 3 times we're going to the Boardwalk. She came into our room. She said, I've circled everything I want to go and do. And I was like, what do you mean? There's not that much there. She thought we were going to Springs. I wish I'd have got that coming in. Mum struggles getting on anything that's moving. Travelators, escalators, Skyliner now too. Here we go.
If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot.
So to get to Disney's Boardwalk from Pop Century, you take the Skyliner to Epcot International Gateway. So go left for Epcot, but if you turn right and go down here, that takes you to the Boardwalk. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk. So once you get to the bridge, head left to get over to the Boardwalk, and you've got the Yacht and Beach Club over behind us there. It's very pretty.
Never happening. Never.
Oh wow, look at it! Have we ever visited here before? It's so nice.
Because I know what can destroy our wallets. So I keep you away from things.
What nice expensive things. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
You can stay in the lighthouse if you want.
Got a room for one.
Yeah, you just need a sleeping bag.
I've had my eye on this for a while since it opened. So we have to come in and try some cake. So you've got the cake bake shop here, which is the one we can sit in and dine. And then you have got the cake shop bakery as well, where you can go in and just get the slices of cake. So that's the one we'll be going to later on. But it's so pretty. So you've got a little ice cream parlour, you've got a deli. Oh, and you've got music as well. This is incredible. We've not had dinner yet, so we're definitely going to have a look and see what we can find. So you've got a little pizza restaurant here. You've got the Italian restaurant, Abracadabra. And then you have got these little booths here as well. So you've got the corn dog one, and then you have got Joe's there as well.
Yeah, it's really cool. It doesn't feel like you're actually in Florida.
No, it feels, doesn't it? It feels completely different. It is lovely.
It said back there about free refill with resort mods. I wonder if it's that resort mode, or do you not think they would do them?
Well, you got, so this is the Boardwalk. That's the Yacht Club.
Okay, so
that's the Boardwalk free refills. Yeah, so if you've got the free refill mug, you can definitely go there and get it done. Oh, here's where you hire those bikes. I don't think we'd get very far if we hired one.
I feel I would, but I feel I'd be doing all the work.
Yeah, James was doing all the work. Me and Mum would just be sat in the back chilling.
The family made it back.
We of course came into the shop, and they have so much nice resort exclusive stuff. They are so nice. It says that our lounge fly is. They are lovely. Look how cute this bag is as well. Is Minnie on a carousel? Oh my gosh, I love it. That is 80. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh, you got a Mickey the other side as well. And they have matching ears. Oh my gosh, this is lovely. Oh, pin. I do love a pin. We went for the pizza. Look how cute the box is. So it's pizza by the slice, but look how big it is, like compared to my hand. Oh my god, it's huge.
Yeah, it's tastes almost like the New York pizza.
Yeah?
Yeah. Almost.
It was like $10.99 or something for a slice, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not
Mega,
bad.
it's mega slice.
Look at that. Covers my whole face. Oh, that's nice. That's a lovely bit of pizza.
It's good.
It's good. Nice view as well. We are heading in the cake bake shop. Oh, so excited. It's so pretty. And they have merchandise. Oh, I think it's the prettiest shop I've ever been in.
These cakes are like
They're
wedding cakes.
humongous.
The decoration on this one.
It's only 150 for the whole cake.
Only?
You think like what you'd pay for a wedding cake? That's pretty good.
Anyone getting married in Orlando, I will bake
Come
you
to a cake bake
for
shop.
$500. It's $350 profit right there.
But look at all these goodies as well. So you've got the chocolate chip cookies. It's got like glitter all on the top. All of them have like glitter. Truffles. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's the red velvet cake. And look at this one though. That's my favourite. The celebration cake. Oh, the little tumbler. Oh my god, it's literally so beautiful. And you can get drinks in here as well, sparkling wine and everything. Look how cute the little gift bag is as well. $2, but worth it. Got the goods. Mum went for the blueberry crumb pie. I don't know why I can't say that's a mouthful for me. It's got like a little edible glitter on there.
Say Joffrey's coffee
No.
3 times. I'll buy you 1 Pandora.
Waiting for
Joffrey's coffee. I still.
Oh, the first hurdle.
I just can't say it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I was supposed to give it a little sheet over it to protect it.
It's pretty.
Look how good this looks. All the little colours in there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. There's glitter like all through it, all in the icing. And the top is like really colourful little edible chocolatey things. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. I bet it's so sweet.
Yeah.
that icing, yeah.
Look at all the, I don't know if you can see that, look at all the colours. I've been thinking about this cake since we booked this holiday. Well, that's sweet.
Is yours sweet?
No, mine's just fine.
Oh,
Mine's just fine.
oh my god, that's so good. The buttercream is so smooth and light. Oh my god, that buttercream. So good. $22 a slice, but worth it.
It's very light. It's actually like
It's not dense at all, is it?
ridiculously light.
I just want to say, look at the size of difference in bites compared to him to me. Oh my god. It's all in his beard, yeah.
Very good. 5 out of 5.
Want some more, mate?
It's really off brand. I've never had a cake with that soft icing.
It's so fluffy. You've done it
Even
really
our
well.
wedding cake wasn't that fluffy from memory. Just gonna hit me for that next time.
No comment.
It's honestly so pretty. All the lights everywhere. It's definitely worth coming and just having a little mooch about
That's cool.
getting a slice of cake. Oh wow, yeah. It's so pretty.
This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening.
That scared the crap out
It's looking a little grayer today. But
Day 45. We don't know what day it is.
yeah,
Really Disney.
we have no idea what day it is. We're just waking up each morning and being like, another day in Disney.
Yeah, waking up like.
Oh, the days are just blurred together at this point. So just comfy and casual today, obviously because you're in a water park. You cannot do a water park without Crocs. Look at my new Jibbitz as well. They're so cute. We've not convinced James to get on the Croc hype yet.
Might get some
Not yet. But oh my god, would you actually? Yay! Come on, you got to do it. They're so comfortable.
That could be a spoiler alert for what I'm waiting for from the Disney tour from USA Disney.
So, if there is something on the US Disney store you like, you can order it online and get it delivered to your hotel and pick it up at reception. So James has ordered something.
Most of it is on Express too.
Yeah.
So like you can get
Especially if you could order it before you even leave
Yeah.
and get it delivered here.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a really good little tip, which we didn't know until we actually looked at it.
Yeah.
So James has a little treat coming. We will show you when it arrives.
We'll see how lost it gets.
No, he wouldn't get lost. It's going to be warm today as well. I think it's 35 again today, so it's going to be quite hot.
And it's free parking if you drive.
Mum's never done this park before, so first experience. Yay! The vibe is so cool. And this is what you see when you first come in. It's so cool. This big one, I'll be sending James on that. I cannot do the big slides like that. They are not for me at all. I'm more of the chilled little slides, lazy lagoon kind of girl. He likes the big ones. This is the lazy lagoon. We'll be spending a lot of time in there. It looks so refreshing. And it's really good where the walkways are really hot. They spray water on it. So it does keep the floor nice and cool. So when you're walking around barefoot, it's not going to scald your feet. So it's all like beachy. You've got the big wave pool over in the back here. It's awesome. Loads of sand everywhere. It's very beachy vibes. We are very pale from the neck down because we've been in Disney for the last however many days with tops on.
3 years.
Yeah, pretty much 3 years. We've only got tan on our arms and our legs. But it's such a cool park. And they have got plenty of lockers as well, which is good. So these are the machines. It looks like they do charge you. So a standard locker is $10 US, which is 1 bag, and a large is $15 US, which is 2 bags. So we'll probably go for a large just to make sure we fit everything in. So to pay the lockers, you do need a physical card to swipe. So make sure you bring that with you. I'll show you the size of the lockers in a moment, just so you can see. And then once you've paid, it does confirm your locker number, so you just need to find that. So we're 3639. And it does give you a receipt with confirmation as well, so 3639, $15. So let me show you the difference in size. So these are the small lockers.
That's
James's backpack as comparison. So the small is definitely tiny.
you would get it in there. It would be a
It'd be very, very tight. And this is the large one. So it's much bigger. So much bigger. Even that looks like a squeeze. I think they're quite deep though.
It's because of all the stuff Leanne puts in my bag.
I literally have. I'm not going to say what I've got in there. Just my
I have a
non-bathing suit.
I have a face flannel in here, and that is it.
Rubbish. 3-6. 3-9. The numbers are not very well organised. 3-6. Oh, there. Yeah, well done. So when you're paying for your locker, it asks you to confirm a PIN, so you can pick whichever PIN you want. Just make sure you remember it, and you enter that into your locker so you can gain access in and out of the lockers all the time. So we have switched over to the phone because the camera has gone away. But we just want to capture as much as we can for you to show you everything. Trying to keep here up.
For personal reasons.
Yeah, we don't want to expose everything. But it's a really cool park. Typhoon Lagoon is a very different vibe in there. I think I prefer Blizzard Beach personally. The vibe of it is so cool. Oh, that was cold. Like the whole snowy vibe and like Caribbean mixed with snow. It is really, really cool.
Although it always surprises me, I would have thought that they would have rebranded it to like Frozen.
Yes, yeah, that would make complete sense. But it's really cool. Yeah. We're going to take you around and show you what's about. So here's a little overview of the park. It looks massive. So you've got a lazy lagoon that goes the whole way around. This is the massive water slide that James will be going on. You've got some racing slides over here, just some standard slides, a couple at the back it's got rubber rings. You've got the a little pool area here, a couple of rides, and then this here is a ski lift. So if you didn't want to walk all the way up the hill, because it is quite a walk, you can get that, which is really cool. We're currently down here. And then this is a list of the attractions. And then this is the story of Blizzard Beach, if you want to pause and read it. Our dedication to you guys. We've just bought a waterproof phone case.
We do have one.
Yeah, we didn't bring it, but it was a really cheap one from Shein or something, and it was a little bit, it's not very good. But this looks like a proper one, $28. We got it from Beach House, just behind us there. So we can take you along on some of the rides now.
And if you don't see this footage, it's because it didn't work and it was the worst.
And James's phone got ruined, so you never see this.
It was the worst $30 investment we've made.
No, it's worth it just for you guys.
It does look heavy duty.
Yeah, it is proper. It is massive as well. I mean, it's like way bigger than my head.
It's probably about 40% over.
But it's then 100% waterproof, fully immersible, take photos and videos underwater. We won't be doing that. No fear, protection for your cell phone and valuables. Let's see how good it is. So we are down at Meltaway Bay, just down the front. We've got a spot right down there on the beach. Lazy Lagoon. It's so good. Me and James have got a double, and the mum's got a little chair next to me. It's nice though, because it's not all just rubber rings. They actually have like chair shapes on some of them, so it's really good.
Quite speedy.
Yeah.
I always think they should have a bit of a dip in the middle, just a little bit, just
like a little slide almost. Yeah, it'd be quite fun.
Nothing major, but just like so it's like Yeah, look at him stand there. There's no gap.
It's freezing! It's freezing!
Panically, it's coming. Imagine if he's still not.
So we're going to go on the red slope, which is the runoff rapids. So we are currently there. Go up the stairs, and it is the tube slides, which is these ones. The good thing is you don't need to carry your dinghy up the stairs. They have a little conveyor belt lift that takes them up for you. So this is the 2 slides. You've got a dark tunnel and you have got an open tunnel on the right as well. But the dinghies do come up on this conveyor belt. So you just pick it up down here and then head on. Woo! Further up the hill you have got more slides. So this one looks super cool. It's like a racing one. Up there is the big one. So this area is really cool. This is the observation deck, so you can see the whole of the park, which is really cool. This park has such a cool vibe, like the music, just everything. It is so fun. If you've not got a water park day, definitely plan for one because it is so fun. One for the frozen cappuccino dream, a little Joffrey's coffee. So yeah, I just can't say it.
Joffrey's coffee. That's nice. That's very nice, actually.
Oh my god, that's so good. Got caramel syrup in it too.
I'm not sure how long this cream lasts in this hot day. But... No, that's really nice.
That's better than Starbucks.
Yeah, ooh.
It is. It really is.
Did you hear that?
You got blue around your lips. It's massive.
It's really soft.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's really nice. The icing is like
Really
sugar.
sweet.
Well,
It looks really pretty though.
it's like 3.5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's well heavy. It looks so good. Okay, let's try it. Okay.
The bun is probably nicer than the actual.
It's not my sort of donut.
Yeah.
3 out of 5. Standard donut.
Very nice, very sweet.
It's very sweet.
The bread's nice, right?
Yeah, nice and soft.
Mum's never heard this song. Never gonna stop, gitchy gitchy goo means I love you. It's Phineas and Ferb.
I love it.
Outrageous. That's what my baby says. Now, then my heart starts thumping. Chicka chicka chua. Never gonna stop, gitchy gitchy goo means that I love you. It's time for James to go on the big one. This is what he's going on. This massive tall one. He's gonna go on this one. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Here he comes, he's at the top. And then this on the right hand side shows you the speed. 36. How was it?
It's like you just feel the water ripping on your bum like that.
Lovely. Thanks for that.
No, your bum cheek. Nothing inappropriate. I had my 2 arms up.
Yeah, I could see. You hit 36.
36. But miles per hour.
Yeah. I said on this.
I struggled to get off at the start because I was like, I didn't lie down like everyone else did at the start, and everyone else was lying down waiting for him to go. I was just watching the guy, and then by the time I went back, my back was obviously dry, and I was like,
Stuck at the top.
it's my first time.
I could never do that. Oh,
It goes so quick.
it's too high for me. It's way too high. Let's
I was
go
saying
this
to that
way.
guy in the queue though that I find the other one, which does that,
The
actually,
bumps one.
that's actually scarier because every time I did it, I lifted up a bit.
Oh no, not for me. I hope I got that. It's a really big wave machine. Mum just got absolutely dunked. Yeah, James can't float at all. It's such a nice view you get from the ski lift. So you can see the whole park. You don't like it, Mum?
When you're at the top, when I was at the top there, you can see into Hollywood Studios.
Oh, could you?
You can see Tower, you can see Tower of Terror, and you look to the left, you can see
Galaxy's Edge. We're about halfway. It's such a nice park.
How
I
do you
love
like
it.
Tower of Terror, but then this you're like, no.
You're enclosed, isn't that?
Yeah, yeah.
Would you rather go on this to get onto the rides or walk? It stopped us. Here we're not that high. We're not that high.
Yeah, look
Yes.
look over the edge and tell me that. Watch this. Go on.
Oh no. Yeah, but you don't look down. Like, that's the key, do not look down. Oh, this is a bit high. Just ripping on for dear life. Get some good views of rides up here. You've got Expedition Everest here. That's really cool. You can see Tower of Terror here as well, which is just there. And then in the very distance, over here somewhere, you can see the balloon for Disney Springs. That's so cool. It's so much fun. I love it here. It's so good. So good. Look at this monstrosity Mum has picked. It's the, what is it called? Ice cream pail something. Look at the size of it, like compared to my hand. It's massive. Oh my god. The ice cream underneath.
There's a cherry there feeling.
You're like, oh, the ice cream's good. I'll twist it around a little bit. It's like chocolate and vanilla swirl.
And hot soap in there as well. Brain freeze.
Oh, I hit my tooth. It's refreshing.
Very nice.
Swirly goodness, apparently.
Chocolate and vanilla. It's really nice. The theming is so good. Beach house, got loads of nice stuff in the stores as well. It's very good. We did not buy anything, but we finished the sundae.
We didn't buy
It was a
anything.
challenge.
Leanne didn't buy anything because they don't have exclusive Pandora Blizzard Beach.
I wouldn't get it anyway.
If they had some sort of like cute, like, I don't know, the Summit
Other little
Plummet
alligator or
the-
something.
yeah,
Yeah. We are home, changed, and ready to go to Beak Barrel.
It's Beacon. I thought it was Barrel and Beak.
No, Beak Barrel.
I know what I'm talking about.
So excited. I've got my pirate gear on. So I have my Shanghai Disneyland Pirates of the Caribbean ears, my Shanghai Disneyland Pirate Mickey keychain, and then my custom Pirates of the Caribbean top from Decor Luxe. Again, she is incredible. Oh, it's a beautiful day. 10 to 5. Had such fun at Blizzard Beach. It was so nice just to get some sun, go on some water rides. I think we left just at the right time. It started getting really hot, didn't it,
Yeah.
towards the end.
That burning sun.
Yeah.
You know.
But it was lovely.
There's no Page and Mr. Morrow there, but
No,
I'm on my
unfortunately
lookout
not.
in Magic Kingdom for him, so don't worry. Like, get him.
See if we can see him.
And take him home.
Was it cocktails and nibbles?
Cocktails and
We
snacks.
haven't eaten today.
I know. We had the jumbo sundae, which we did finish between the three of us. It was like $19, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. which is pretty good. It was humongous. So I had like a sponge cake at the bottom. Oh, Bunny just ran past. And then it had like crushed Oreos, chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, caramel fudge sauce, all the goodness. It was, yeah, I said that. It was very yummy. So I recommend if you go to Blizzard Beach, get that. I'm going to go through and get the bus to Magic Kingdom. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. We are on a mission. The bus was late getting here, and then when the bus driver got there, he had to get off and go to the loo. So we're late getting to Magic Kingdom, so I'm rushing off ahead to check us in, and then Mum and James are going to come and join me. But we are here. Pirates of the Caribbean. And then Beak Barrel is just over here, which looks so cool. Thank you. Oh my god, it's so cool.
Following this crew into the map.
Thank you.
Wondering, Josh is your home runner today. Let him know of any allergy requests.
Will do. Thank you so much. Here's a little look at the menu. It's so cute. They're from the galley. So this is your snacks. And then you've got some non-alcoholic specialities. Over here you've got the signature cocktails. All looks so good. They have got some rums, beers, bottles and wine on the back as well.
Do we have any outstanding questions, warrants, or bounties I should be aware of? It's unfortunate. I was hoping to make some money today, yes. And for you, ma'am? Any food for us?
Is that sorry?
Food?
I don't know yet. I didn't get that far. We're going to go for the island visions, please, and the cooked corn griddle cakes with chicken.
Thank you, Pirates.
Thank you.
Now, do any of you know what the pirate said when he turned 80? I'm 80.
Awesome.
I don't get it.
Yeah, got it now. It's so well themed. Absolutely love it. Look at it. It's awesome. It's so cool. There's like just details everywhere. There's so much to see. That's really cool.
No stabbing. Oh yeah, the moment time.
That's good.
Yeah, the cup's free.
That's very
All
nice.
grain free.
I like that. This was the, what was it called?
South Sea Splash.
Yes, with the South Sea Splash, it has, so it's a tropical infusion of Sprite, pineapple, mango and guava. And look at the little tanker it comes in. It's so cute. It's really good as well. It's so refreshing.
Know how to get a curse out of a tavern?
The little parrot just came out. It's so cute. The little parrot just came out on the top. He's so cute. No, he's just walked back in. Magic candlelight. That's cool.
And right here we have the island provision.
Thank you.
Now on your island provisions there are 4 dips. Yellow is mango, green is garlic chimichurri, brown is guava tamarind. In the middle of the chips there is a zesty cilantro. Good luck.
Good luck. So this is the island provision. So it's just a load of flatbread and tortilla chips, and then loads of different dipping sauces. And this was the cooked corn griddle cake with chicken, and it smells incredible. Pick your poison. I'm going to have a bit of flatbread. And I'm going to go for the mango.
Mango's nice.
The mango's so good.
This is sweet.
Like a chutney, right?
It's a weird flavour.
What's this?
I don't know.
Oh, you'll like that. That's nice. It reminds me of something.
It's like a jam.
I'll decide what that flavour is. Like a mint.
It's spicy.
So how do we eat it?
You just cut. It's like a cake.
You're laughing for it.
There you go. What's yours? That's good.
Yeah. It's cake and chicken. I wasn't sure how it would be, but. Huh?
The top consistency is a bit weird.
Let's try.
No, you can't get me. So that grab too.
The sauce is
Well,
actually
it's really milk, yeah.
the curry sauce.
Fresh water. Strong, baby.
Can't have that.
That one here.
What?
Texture's really weird. It's banana. Banana chip.
Try a bit of
That one, that one?
Yeah, both together. Get a bit of chutney on there.
You can have a second drink if you want, like a long way. You're allowed to.
Round 2.
I'm still going, thank you.
Good? Alright. Squall. Do you know what a squall is? Big storm, big wind, big waves, turnover ships. Bottoms up. Batten down the hatches. Strike the mainsail. Secure the cargo. Hold on, everybody. I thought we were at four.
We did it.
Survive that. When I say drink up behind you, stay going, oh.
Try the octopus actually.
She can handle that.
Well, yeah.
Is it? Thank you. Beak and Barrel was so good. It is so fun. It's so well themed. And the cast member was really good. The pirates, were really good.
It's not a cast member.
They're like fully in it. It is really immersive, and they actually speak like pirates and treat you like you're a pirate. It is so good.
But you can have banter back with them.
Yeah.
So that's good. So I said, oh, Leanne can't read, he goes, can I?
The only thing I would say, so you only get 45 minutes in there, and you can only order 2 drinks. So it seems like quite a short period of time you're allowed in there. I understand the 2 drinks rule because they've never really introduced alcohol in Magic Kingdom before, so it's quite new. So so I think they don't really want to have some people drinking too much, so I do understand that. But I think they could at least give you an hour. I think 45 is quite tight.
He had snacks, so
yeah,
the snacks, it goes super quick.
Yeah.
It's tight. We did, I think, had about 4 minutes left.
Yeah, and James was still eating it. And the only thing as well is you're not guaranteed a seat. Some areas are standing, some are seating. You don't know what you're going to get until you're there. We had a standing area, typically. Mum's poor legs. So yeah, just that's something just to know, that you may not want to have a standing position, but unfortunately you can't control that. But it's only 45 minutes, so it's not too bad. But recommend. It's definitely worth visiting. And a guy liked my ears. As we were coming in the park, he was like, I've never seen them before. I was like, Shanghai Disneyland.
Shameless plug.
We, of course, had to ride Pirates after Beak Barrel. We're now heading over to Hollywood Studios. Mum's favourite. Gonna go there, spend a couple of hours there. There it is. This is my favourite park. I just love it so, so much. It's the Skyliner, Sunset Boulevard when it's lit up. Jen, this is my favourite park.
Hello.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yours?
Yeah.
What Epcot beat it?
No, I love Epcot.
Epic.
Oh no. Hollywood Studios all the way.
Whoa, don't cross.
And Disney and Universal are separate.
That's
Cross-contamination.
Yeah.
We're back, baby.
Oh, that hurt my throat.
That's what you get. So good to be back. Let's go and get a Starbucks, get something cool on that throat. It's still pushing through, guys.
I don't stop. This is Disney.
You cannot beat this, I'm sorry. It is so good. Drinks secured. Mum is the only person I know who orders a hot drink when it's 30 degrees. It would either be tea or it would be a cappuccino. She's crazy. It is such a vibe, look at it. Coming into Fantasmic, haven't done this one yet this holiday, so we are making sure we get it tonight. So it's only 8:10. The show is not on until 9, but obviously it's a very popular show, so it does get very busy.
Welcome to the Hollywood Hills Amphitheater.
Welcome to Fantasmic. Tonight, our friend and host Mickey Mouse uses his vivid imagination to create magical imagery for all to enjoy.
Well, this is my dream!
We're both crying. Fantasmic is still the best show. It is my favourite. I absolutely love it. I saw this one crying when Steamboat Willie came out. I also cried. We're both very, very soppy. Wanna get in the shop? Yeah. I definitely get my soppiness from her. As soon as I saw Steamboat Willie, that's the bit that gets me every single time. So we're dodging crowds here.
Is that when you cry, when you come around the corner?
Yeah, as soon as I see, every time I see Steamboat Willie, that's when I go. He's so cute. Of course, James did not cry. He never cried. When we was in Hollywood Studios, of course, Mum wanted to go through the shop, which is a very dangerous thing for me because I just see stuff, I just want to get it. And James is always like, for God's sake. But this is stuff I could not get the other day. So if you haven't seen our vlog yet, we went to Hollywood Studios on the 4th of May and we spent the day in Galaxy's Edge and it was incredible. They had exclusive merch for the day and it did sell out. So we wasn't able to get the bits that I wanted until today. So I managed to get my limited edition pin. I am so, so happy. Look how cute it is. So it says, May the 4th be with you. And of course, it's Mando. It's my favourite. It's the one I wanted, but it's so cool. It has the year on it as well. So they do them every year and they do sell out. So I'm so pleased I managed to get it. And that was $22. But limited edition, so worth it. That's not all I bought. They had the limited edition hoodie, which, so it's just a plain black hoodie, but on the side here, it's got the emblem of May the 4th be with you. And the back is the full, and let me throw it on so you can see it properly. How cool is that? And this was $59.99, so $60 plus tax. So yeah, damage was done, but it was worth it for exclusive merch from an event that we went to and we had the best day. Yay! And that is a wrap on today's vlog.
I always forget Blizzard Beach is underrated, I think.
Yeah, it's such a vibe. It's really cool. So we had really good fun doing that. Although Mum didn't like the sky lift, bless her. She only went on it that once. She refused to go on it again.
Ridiculous.
At least you got her on it. So today has been a very casual, chilled day. Tomorrow is not. We are getting up at the crack of dawn to go and do a rope drop at Animal Kingdom. So we're going to spend half of the day there and then we are going to go over to Epcot for the last half of the day because there's more rides I want to do. We didn't get to do some the other day. So we need to do the new test track. We need to do Soarin' and of course Guardians. We have to do Guardians while we're there.
Yes.
And the end of the night show, we didn't get to see that either.
No.
So we saw the fireworks from the Skyliner, but we want the full Epcot end of the night show experience because it's a good one. If you have enjoyed today's video, please do give us a thumbs up, give us a hype, and make sure you go and subscribe so you do not miss out on next week's vlog. See you real soon.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.